Hi, it's Nick from Goleby's Parts. Just doing a quick walk around on a JZX100 Chaser that we've had this week in at Goleby's Parts. Customer brought it to us to finish off plasma man intake. So plumb all that up with intercooler piping, finish the fuel system up in the engine bay and in the boot, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, we just made some tidy up changes in the engine bay, put some breather lines on it for our catch can that we installed down here. Customer supplied 2000cc injectors, which we've put in there. He wired all that himself up in the engine bay. We installed Haltech Elite 2000 plug and play kit, all nice and discreetly put up under the carpet. And then in the boot we've got two Bosch 044 pumps, Haltech flex fuel sensor. Customer mounted everything in the boot himself, and then we just wired and plumbed everything in the boot. It's a nice little relay setup. Car is going on the dyno tomorrow, so we should hopefully see some numbers. Also mounted plasma man intercooler, 600 by 300 by 100. Engine is a 1.5J VVTi, 3 litre bottom end with a VVTi 1J head, 6 boost manifold and a Borg Warner turbo.